Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to connect to any Wi-Fi network on your Windows 11 PC, then first you will need to make sure that your Wi-Fi drivers are installed and ready to use. To do this, right-click on the Start button and then click on Device Manager. Now, within this page, underneath Network Adapter, make sure that the Wi-Fi driver is installed. If it is not, then simply right-click and click on the Update Driver button to install the latest drivers for your Wi-Fi hardware. Once your drivers have successfully been installed or updated, you will see the Wi-Fi icon at the bottom section. Even if you don't see this, just click on it and it will now reveal the Wi-Fi section. You can simply click on the Wi-Fi icon to turn the Wi-Fi within your device on or off, and you can click on the arrow key alongside to see the available networks. Go ahead and click on whichever network you would like to join into, and you may be asked to enter the password or the SSID for this network. Just enter the security key and then click on the next button. And now you will be connected to this Wi-Fi network right away. And once you are connected, you will be able to start browsing the internet and enjoy other various online services. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to connect to any Wi-Fi network on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.